this is a gas anesthetic machine, and we're going to track the flow of oxygen through the machine. Oxygen starts at an oxygen source. So this plug either plugs into a wall that has another oxygen tank or a tank on the machine. Okay. The oxygen will have a flow meter on it that tells you how full the tank is. Okay, so the oxygen runs through our oxygen tubing to our flow meter that we turn on. This tells you how much oxygen is running to the patient. We have a flush valve that is a button.
Okay, see it.
A button that flushes oxygen straight to the breathing bag, so it fills it up. Okay? So the oxygen goes to the flow meter and then picks up gas in our vaporizer. In our vaporizer. This has 2 gauges. These windows tell you how much gas is in the vaporizer. It starts off as liquid and it gets vaporized into a gas. We have our gas flow meter on top. It's a dial, and that tells you how much gas is getting released to the animal. So our oxygen and our gas mix together and come through this tubing to our rebreathing system. These are one-way valves. So we have our inhale to the animal and then our exhale to the rest of our system. So we have our rebreathing bag, our carbon dioxide canister full of soda lime. Our pop-off valve has a dial and a button. Okay, and our scavenger is where all of our extra carbon dioxide, gas, and or oxygen goes. So this either plugs into the outside of the building and gets released, or into another carbon dioxide canister that would be found at the bottom of the tank. Okay, one more piece of equipment. We have a rebreathing valve. So this meter tells us how much oxygen and pressure is going to the animal when we breathe for them. So we don't ever want it to go over 20 because their lungs can't handle any more than 20.
Okay, that's it for that.
One more thing, I guess, is it still on?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. If we're not using the rebreathing system, we have a non-rebreathing system that plugs in right here. Okay? The non-rebreathing system bypasses all of this because its tubing has all of this attached to it.
Okay.
Okay?
Usually, is it kind of 50-50?
So the non-rebreathing system is used for animals that weigh 15 pounds and under.
Okay.
This is the ventilator, and this would plug into this machine. This would breathe for the animal if they cannot breathe on their own.
Okay. Sweet. That's it.